In my video tutorial, I will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called DarkN1ght. This is the ransomware that targets many Windows computers all over the world today. This ransomware acts in a very aggressive manner, so it is able to encrypt and damage the files considerably. Before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open your files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware called DarkN1ght may be very easily injected into the computer. Very soon people just realize that they can no longer access their data. The ransomware encrypts files and damages the data considerably. So then it is just impossible to use the files anymore. Pretty soon the ransomware reveals a special ransom note where it indicates that the ransom needs to be paid, supposedly for file restoration. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is truly not a good idea. So, a part of the ransomware issue, your computer may be also burdened by all kinds of annoying pop-ups that you can now see. These are the consequences of the ransomware's attack. The ransomware changes the desktop background into this one. It also reveals the ransom note, and finally it appends a random 4-symbol extension to the file names. The ransomware tells the victims to pay a special ransom, supposedly for file restoration. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove the ransomware with Combo Cleaner. Go to the official page combocleaner.com, download the software, install the application, and then start researching your computer with its help. After you start Combo Cleaner, the application will most likely first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of all possible threats that could be on your computer. Pay attention to the fact that Combo Cleaner is available for all popular operating systems: Mac, Windows, Android, and iOS. So, after you click on the Start Scan button, the antivirus database will be updated first of all, and then the scanning will begin. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how many hard drives are available. It may depend on the system parameters of your computer. Finally, at the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the infections which were found on your system. Based on the summary of threats, you'll be able to know the information about the locations of threats. Some threats can be removed manually, but definitely I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, for instance, there is an excellent anti-ransomware feature which helps to always keep your data protected. You can add certain folders on your system, and the contents of these folders will be always under the protection against ransomware attacks. And Combo Cleaner works extremely and exceptionally well when it comes to identifying contemporary threats like adware, ransomware, all sorts of annoying pop-ups. Combo Cleaner fixes browser redirection issues. And definitely, what is exceptionally valuable, Combo Cleaner is able to protect your data, all your cherished and valuable information that you store on your hard drive. So use Combo Cleaner for cleaning your system and for protecting your system against all types of malware.